I wasn't even recording, was I?
No.
Okay. Here we go. Just gotta redo my intro. Alright. We're watching One Guy, One Screwdriver. We just watched One Guy, One Jar. And by the looks of this one, it looks disgusting. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
I'm gonna gag. Okay,
Get my pillow ready.
it's starting. There's a jar. Why does he gotta do this shit with the jars? Dude.
Oh. That's so nasty. Ew.
Why would... That's disgusting. You've gotta be psychotic to even do that shit.
I want my mommy.
Alright.
Okay, that was nasty. That was nasty.
Yeah. Oh my god. I still think that one was kind of really gross by far. Alright. So hopefully this one will upload. Alright. Bye.